So the market has closed, and what does the headline say in CNBC? It says that S&P 500 falls on Thursday as stocks resume their downward move from Russia-Ukraine war. We can see that in Europe, the market fell by quite a large amount actually, and oil price has come down again, and gold has risen, and the cryptocurrency, they fell a lot yesterday. So let's look at the chart, because chart tells us more compared to the numbers. When we look at Dow Jones chart, we can see that the market, although it says that it fell, it actually didn't do much compared to a few days ago. A few days ago, we can see that it was falling, but now it's moving around. It's not doing much. What's interesting though is that the MACD has turned positive. So this is where we'll be watching to see if the MACD will turn negative, because it will give us another trading opportunity like this bar here. And then let's look at oil. Oil price also fell. However, once again, compared to the previous day, it actually went up because it is above the low of yesterday, which means that there is actually an uncertainty in the market. We'll be watching to see if the oil price falls in the next trading session, because the MACD has turned negative. And then if MACD is negative and oil price falls below the moving average 20, then that will give us a good entry point. And the gold price also didn't do much. Although it has gone up, technically it hasn't moved a lot because it is off the high from 2 days ago. So this is another one to watch. You can see that the MACD figures are on the decrease. If it falls further, then the MACD will turn negative, and then if the price falls below moving average 20, then it will be a good entry point for us to go short. What is interesting is the cryptocurrency. It's moving quite a bit. It's very, very volatile. Is this going to be what happens in 2001, where the dot-com boom bust? It'll be interesting to see how the cryptocurrency moves from here, as it just keeps on falling and falling and falling. So the focus now is for us to look at the chart, which is Dow Jones, to see if it will change direction. And then oil price to see if it will move below moving average 20. So these are the two trading opportunities I'm waiting. So there's nothing much to do today because there's no trading opportunity here from looking at the daily charts point of view. Okay, until we talk again, please stay safe.